In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own online store. If you've been wanting to build your own online store, but you're not sure how, then this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to show you step by step how you can make your own online store in about 15 up to 20 minutes. So after watching this video, you'll have a store that looks like this and also has a premium domain name. We're going to be using Wix to build our store, and this video is also sponsored by Wix. I've been using Wix to build my own websites for a couple of months now, as you guys know, and today I'm going to teach you how you can do the same. Alright, you can get started by clicking on the first link in the description down below, or you can simply go to wix.com/howtodigitalwix. You'll then end up on the Wix website where you can click on the blue Get Started button. Once you do that, you'll end up on the sign up page. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the blue sign up link and you can then go ahead and sign up for a Wix account. Once you've done that, you can go to your dashboard and then simply click on create new site. Next up, you can choose what kind of website you want to create. In this video, we're going to build an online store. So I'm going to click on online store. And then next up, we can choose between the Wix ADI system and the website editor. I recommend going with this one, so you want to click on choose a template so that you can use a pre-built store to build your own store in just a couple of minutes, if that makes sense. Next up, what you can do is find a template for your store. So if you simply scroll down, you'll find a lot of different templates. You'll see that they have a ton of pages, so make sure you go ahead and check out all the pages as well. What you can also do is simply go to store and then you can choose a subcategory for your store. So you can go with a fashion and clothing template, a arts and crafts template, beauty and wellness, whatever kind of store you would like to create. What I'm going to do in this video is build an electronic store. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go with this template. This is a mobile accessory store. So what I'm going to do before I actually go ahead and make it is click on view, just to confirm that I actually like this. So I highly recommend doing this so that you actually know that you like the template that you're about to choose. So this template looks pretty cool to me. So if I simply scroll down, I can see what this looks like. Now, if you confirm, like if you know for sure that you want to use it, you can click on edit this site in the top right corner. This will then go into the Wix website editor. And this is the Wix website editor. This is where we're going to build our entire store. Before I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to upgrade to a premium plan so that I can actually launch my web store with an actual proper domain and make sure to have all of the options available for shipping, taxes, and all of that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is click on upgrade and then I'm going to go to save site. So before you can do that, you want to make sure to save your website. And then you'll see that this button becomes available. You want to click right there and this will send you over to the Wix premium plans. What you need to do is don't click on website, but click on business and e-commerce because we're building a store and you can then choose between these three options. What I recommend doing, and the one that I'm going to choose as well, is go with the business unlimited one, which comes with all of these features. So with this, you can accept online payments, you get a lot of storage, you can connect your domain name, you can remove Wix ads and all of that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is click on select. And then next up, I'm going to go with the 1-year plan so that I can save myself 60 euros. You can also go with the 2-year plan if you want to save almost 200, but I'm going to go with the yearly one. So click select and then you can go ahead and sign up. Now, if I just get rid of this, I also want to mention that you can get a 14-day money-back guarantee on all the premium plans. So there's no risk involved. And there we go, my website is now premium. Now what you can do is get a free domain name with Wix. So what you can do is simply type in the domain name that you would like to get. For example, this is in caps lock, but it doesn't matter. How to digital store. What you can then do is get this domain name right here. Simply click on get it. Then once again, choose a payment plan. What you can then also do is get a personalized mailbox. I'm not going to do this for now, but you can get your own email that looks like this. So it would be your name at and then your domain name.com. Now that we've got that set up, what you want to do is go back to your websites. You'll see that it's now a premium website. And you want to click on select and edit site. And then here we are back in the Wix website editor. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can customize your template and create your own online store. So as of right now, this is what my template looks like. What you can now do is customize all of this by using the simple Wix website editor. So on the left side, you'll see all of the tools that you can use to start building and customizing your store. You can also preview a desktop and a mobile version. You can use the search function in the top right corner to find specific tools, elements, apps, or more. And you can use the undo and redo buttons and then also save and even preview your store. So if you're customizing your store and you just want to see what it looks like, all you need to do is click on preview right there, and you can then preview your entire store. So this is what my store looks like as of right now. Let's go back to the editor, let's customize it, and let's set it up with products, shipping, and all of that. Alright, in order to customize your template, all you need to do is pretty much select whatever you want to customize. You can then change the images or change the settings. For example, if I want to change the text on here, I would select the text, then click edit text, and then pretty much type in whatever I want to change or add. You can also change the fonts, the sizes, and the theme as well. So on here, you can pretty much customize the entire text. What you can also do is customize the backgrounds. So if you click on the background, you can click on change strip background, and you can then go ahead and change it. You can add videos, you can add colors, images, and like I just said, videos. If you want to do that, you simply select a video and you'll see that it then changes, right? So as of right now, we've got this video on the background instead of the image that we just had. Now I like the other image better, so I'm going to use the undo button to get the original background back. But that's how you can customize it. Now this is pretty much how you can start building your entire store. So you can select it and you can then go into the settings, or you can pretty much change it, right? What's most important building an online store though is setting up the backend stuff. So I'm gonna click on my store right here. I recommend you do that as well, and this will then show you the store manager. In the store manager, you can set up shipping, you can add products, and all of that good stuff. First of all, I want to show you how you can add products to your store. You can do that by simply clicking right here, add products, and this will then go into the product page where we can add a specific product. So this is the dashboard. On here you can see all of the backend stuff on your store, and this is where we're going to add a product. You can start off by giving your product a title. So I'm going to call this Geek Freak, just like that. On this store I'm selling phone cases, so I would like to add an image. You can add an image or even a video by simply clicking on one of the options. You can then go ahead and upload it. So what you can do is upload an image from your PC, or you can use files that are already on Wix, or even on Shutterstock or Unsplash. Once you've uploaded your image, it will look like this. What you can now do is scroll down, and you can add product info. So this is where you can give your product a name. You can add a ribbon, so that could be like a tag, so new arrival, best selling, on sale, stuff like that. So let's say that I want to use new arrival. You simply type that in there, and then you're good to go. What you can also do is add a price to your product. Let's say that I'm selling this phone case for 20 euros. I simply type in 20 euros and that's it. You can also put your products on a sale. So if you enable this, you can add a percentage discount or a flat rate discount. Let's say that I want to do 20% off for the specific product. You simply select the percentage and you then type in 20, and you'll see that the price goes to 16 euros. That's cool. Alright, if you scroll down even further, you can add a description. So this product is called the Geek Freak and it's a phone case. So what you can do is simply type in Geek Freak phone case, and that's it. You can also add more info, of course, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Once again, you can customize the text color, you can add a link, you can make it bold, you can do a lot of different stuff. Now, if I scroll down even further, you can add a custom text if you want to. So let's say that you have a product where the product is customizable, you can then do that. So let's say that I'm able to sell phone cases with people's own text on it, then you can do that as well. I'm not going to do that for now because that's not what I want to sell, so I'm going to keep it like this. Now next up, you can add variants. So you can do product options. For example, you can add specific colors. So maybe if I just simply click right here, I'm going to add a blue one, a orange one, a red one, a yellow one, a purple one, and then click add. So right now I'm selling this specific product in all of these options, so with all of these different colors. So this comes in handy when you're selling t-shirts or any product, to be honest, with different colors. You can then also connect images. So as of right now, this is like a brown phone case, but let's say that people want to buy the orange one. You can then also add a matching orange picture with that so that people can preview it. Now, if I scroll down even further, you can set up the inventory and then also the weight and all of that. I'm not going to do that for now because this just really depends on what kind of product you're selling, how much it weighs and all of that, but I do want you to know that you can indeed do that right here. You can then also add your product to a collection. I'm going to add it right here, and then what you can do is click on save in the top right corner, and you've then just set up a brand new product. Now you'll see this right here. You haven't connected a payment method, which brings me on to the next thing that I want to show you. So you want to make sure to click on add payment method because you need to set up a payment method in order to receive your money. So what I recommend doing is choosing the options that you would like to use. So for now, I'm going to set up the Wix payment system and then also PayPal. So simply enable the one that you would like to use and then click on connect me, and you can then go ahead and set this up. Before that though, you want to make sure to confirm that you're not selling any of this. If you're selling any of this stuff, you might want to find a different payment provider. But I'm going to do this because I'm not selling that. And then right now, what it's going to do is add the payment method. So I just added the Wix payment method to my website. So people will now be able to use credit and debit cards with Wix when purchasing a product on my store. What we need to do next is set up shipping. So if you click right here, set up regions, you go into the shipping settings. All you need to do to set up shipping is click add region. You can then go ahead and add a destination. Let's say that would be the United States. I would then type in United States. Next up, I would scroll down and would set up the shipping. So select how shipping is calculated. So you can go with a flat rate, you can rate by weight, and rate by price. So I'm going to go with a rate by price. And then what you can do here is pretty much set up the shipping. So I'm just going to say standard shipping. And then I'm going to do 3 to 5. And then I'm going to do 3 to 5 business days right there. You can set up different price ranges here. So what you can do is say that for products all the way up to 20 euros, you can do shipping and that will cost 5 euros. From 20 euros and up, it will cost people, let's say, 3 euros. So this is how you can set up different price ranges. Now you can set up as many price ranges as you want. So you can go from 23 euros and up, and you can continue doing that if you want to. But this is where you can set up shipping. What you can then also do is allow the store pickup if you're doing that. If you have an actual store, you can do it. And you can also add a handling fee to every order. I'm not going to do any of this for now. So I'm going to click save, and then I've just set up shipping for the US. Once you've done all of that, it's time to publish your store so that your store can go live and people can actually view it. What you need to do for that is click on the blue publish button in the top right corner. And then if you've just purchased that premium plan, you'll see your domain name show up right here. So my domain name is howtodigitalstore.com. So if I click on done, we're now live. So if I go to that URL or just click on preview, you'll see that it actually goes live. This is my actual store. I actually do have a store right now, which is pretty cool, right? So people can actually go ahead and buy these products. So this is the product that I just added. If people click on that, they'll see it. They'll see all of the different colors. You'll see that it's on sale. So all of this is working, and that's pretty cool to see. The only step left to complete our web store is to make sure that people can find it on Google. So if you click right here on Get Started, Wix will show you step by step how you can get started showing up on Google. So if you click Start Now, they'll walk you through step by step how you can do this. So how to digital store, just like that, and then click Next. So this might take a while, so I'm not going to show you step by step how you can do it in this video. But if you simply go through all of these, Wix will show you step by step what you need to do. And you've then completed all of these 7 steps to set up your own store. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to get started by clicking on the first link in the description down below, and you can sign up for Wix and build your store. That's it for now, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.